Welcome to this video on the keto diet. If you're looking to lose weight, improve your energy levels, and boost your overall health, then the keto diet may be just what you need. The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained popularity in recent years. By drastically reducing your carb intake and increasing your fat intake, the keto diet can help your body enter a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of glucose from carbohydrates. In this video, we will explore the basics of the keto diet, including how to calculate your macros, which foods to eat and which to avoid, how to stay hydrated, and how to overcome some of the common challenges of the diet. Whether you're new to the keto diet or looking to improve your understanding, this video will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. So, let's get started. Calculate your macros. Calculating your macros is essential when starting a keto diet. Your macros are the specific amounts of macronutrients, fat, protein, and carbohydrates that you need to consume to achieve and maintain ketosis. It's crucial to calculate the right balance of macros based on your individual needs, such as your age, weight, height, and activity level. Many online calculators are available to help you figure out your ideal macro ratio. Once you determine your macros, you can plan your meals accordingly. Keep in mind that your macro needs may change over time, depending on your weight loss goals and overall health. It's a good idea to recalculate your macros periodically to ensure that you are still on track. 1. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. When following a keto diet, it's essential to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are nutrient-dense, low in carbs, and provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Examples of whole foods include meat, fish, eggs, non-starchy vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Avoid processed foods marketed as low-carb, and check labels for added sugars, refined grains, or other highly processed ingredients. When shopping, choose whole foods and fresh produce over processed and packaged foods. 1. Avoid high-carb foods. Limiting your carb intake to less than 50 grams per day is a crucial principle of the keto diet. Avoid high-carb foods such as bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, and sugary drinks. Instead, focus on consuming low-carb foods like leafy greens, cauliflower, broccoli, zucchini, and berries. These foods are high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, while also promoting healthy digestion. 1. Include healthy fats. Since fat makes up the bulk of your calorie intake on a keto diet, it's important to choose healthy sources of fat. Examples of healthy fats include avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, and seeds. Healthy fats not only provide your body with energy but can also help keep you feeling full and satisfied. They also play a critical role in hormone production and brain function. 1. Stay hydrated. When starting a keto diet, you may experience a temporary drop in water weight. It's important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and other low-carb fluids like herbal tea or bone broth. Staying hydrated can also help alleviate symptoms of the keto flu, which is a temporary condition that some people experience when transitioning to a keto diet. Symptoms of the keto flu can include fatigue, headaches, and muscle cramps. 1. Be patient. When starting a keto diet, it's important to be patient. It can take some time for your body to fully adapt to a new way of eating, and you may not see results right away. Stick with it and trust the process. Remember that everyone's body is different, and some people may experience weight loss or other health benefits faster than others. Be sure to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or questions.